Three people in the house. Thank you, thank you. Ayan guys, katatapos pa lang maligo. Hindi pa ba natulog? Hindi pa lang sa ha? What to do? Kayang-kaya pa. I-end ko na ito mamaya guys. After 2 minutes more. After 2 minutes more, I will end the natin. It will take less my phone. Then I will going to do the live. Silent live also. Now it's going 2 hours guys. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you everyone for coming to my live. Madam sa inyong artikulo, salamat sa pagbisita sa bahay ko. Thank you, thank you. Lalihan Vlog, thank you. The Rain of Life and Ma'am Angie and New Zealand, thank you. What else? Brother Mosa, thank you for coming to my live. Thank you so much for every one of you. Tikangkang, salamat sa pagpunta mo din sa live ko. There, Angie Mendoza, thank you. Iron Debbie, salamat sa pagpunta mo. Wildflower, thank you, thank you. Root Bites, thank you sis for coming. Thank you. Thank you for every one of you guys. Thank you for coming to my live and God bless you. Sana wag kayo magsawang sumuporta guys. Support lang po tayo sa isa't isa guys. Maraming salamat po. Diyos na po ang bahala sa iyong kabutihan sa pagsusuporta niyo po sa akin. Thank you po. God bless you all guys. Good night, good morning, good afternoon. Saan man po kayo nasa bansa. Morning, good morning. Sa mga gabi, good night po. At saka sa mga hapon po is good afternoon. Thank you po. Thank you so much.